Hi everyone! In today's video I'm going to show you how you can compose your emails within Gmail at any time and schedule them to send when you want them. This is great if, like me, you find yourself working and answering emails at 4 a.m. You can schedule them to send during the workday. Another great use is meeting reminders. So you may schedule a meeting a month out and you want to send that 2 week, 1 week before a reminder. You can schedule that all in advance. Here's how it works. I'm inside my Gmail, and if you have keyboard shortcuts enabled, you can just hit the letter C to start composing. So you're going to compose your email just like usual, include any drive files or attachments that you need, but instead of clicking send, you're going to click this down arrow and choose schedule send. When you do that, you're going to get a pop-up. It will recommend a few scheduled dates and times, and as you do this more frequently, you'll find that their suggestions become better. But if those suggestions don't work for you, you have the ability to pick a date and time. So I'm going to send this on Friday at 8 o'clock a.m. And then you just click schedule send. And you don't have to think about that. It will send on Friday at 8 a.m. Now there may be times where that meeting changes or you forgot something. So if you ever need to go back to that email for its sent, you have a filter over here on the left. It's called scheduled. This is where you can find any scheduled emails that haven't sent yet to make any edits if needed. So schedule send is a great time saver to schedule out those emails in advance, as well as send emails at appropriate times if you find yourself either working really late or really early. If you learned something new, give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for future videos. Until next time, bye everyone.